Morning students. Today we are going to see exercise 3.3. The first Roman letter is fill in the blanks. Okay. The first question is an expression equated to another expression is called dash. Listen the question. An expression equated to another expression is called dash. So when any expression it is equal to another expression, means like that x plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 5. So it is like an equation. Equation is nothing but it will be like with variables and the constants. Okay. For example, x plus 4y which is equal to 9. Any variables with any constants. Second question is if a is equals to 5, then find the value of 2a plus 5. So how to find out this one? A is equal to 5. Substitute in the place of A. So 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Is it clear? So we can substitute the value of A. This we have already discussed in the class. So 2A plus 5 will be equal to 15. Then the third question. The sum of twice and 4 times of the variable x is. It is given. Sum of, that means adding. Twice and 4 times of the variable x. That means 2x plus 4x. So when you add these 2x plus 4x, we will be getting the value as 6x. It's clear. Then say true or false. Second Roman letter. Every algebraic expression is an equation. So every algebraic expression, it cannot be an equation. Why? Because algebraic expression we will have monomial, binomial, trinomial. It's there. It's only with the terms. So when it is like a polynomial, okay, then we will be telling like it is an equation. So it is given whatever the algebraic expression it is given, it is an equation. So it is not like that. So we can write to be false. The expression 7x plus 1 cannot be reduced without knowing the value of x. It's absolutely true. Why? Because if the value of x is unknown, then we could not do anything over here. If suppose the value of x is 1. So what is the answer now? 8, because 7 into 1 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. Then only I can say what is the value here, right? So without knowing the value of x, the expressions could not be reduced. So we could not get a single term. So we can write this to be the true. Third one, to add two like terms, its coefficients can be added. For an example, 5x plus 7x. The answer is 12x. So what we are doing here, x is as it is we are writing. We are just adding the value of 5 and 7 which is the coefficient of x. So by adding that you are getting the value to be 12x. So it is true what the statement is given us. Okay. Now the next Roman letter is objective type questions. The generalization of the number pattern, it is given 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, it is in the form of 3n. Why? Because when you substitute the value to be 1, so it is 3, 2, 6, 3, 9. That means 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 3s are, 3 4s are. It is going on like that. So it is 3n. The solution of 3x plus 5 is equal to x plus 9 is. What is the answer it is given? So what we can do is we can separate the variables and the constants. So 3x, if I bring that x from that side to this side, 3x minus x, which is 2x, which is equal to 9 minus 5 is 4. Therefore x is equal to 4 by 2. So the answer is 2. It is like 1 mark sum. So by seeing the expression itself, you can tell the answer. Here we no need pen and paper. Okay, by seeing the expression itself, we can directly, it is like a mental max. So by seeing the expression itself, we can tell the answer. Is it clear? Then the 10th one. The equation y plus 1 equal to 0 is true only when y is, what is the value of y? Y is minus 1. Because minus 1 plus 1 which gives you 0. Okay. So that's why the answer is minus 1. Is it clear? So you could have understood whatever we have discussed now. Then you can copy all these answers in your textbook so that it will be helpful to you. Okay. Thank you.